Hi, I am Crisna. I work as a staff nurse at a government hospital for 3 years and 1 year as a community nurse in the Philippines. I can say I'm good at adult care and child care. Before I applied at Nightingale, I was looking for a job abroad where I can enhance my skills and have new experiences. Then I found out from a friend that this company was looking for home care nurses, so I grabbed the opportunity because I heard that this is a personally rewarding career. And indeed it is. At Nightingale, we get to experience a job where you can enhance your skills from neonatal care to adult care. It's like building a career while working within a specialty you most enjoy. Lastly, it offers the opportunity to do meaningful work that changes lives, families, and communities.